man, this is how it's supposed to be, all black. Look at these lines too. Look at those lines, beautiful, beautiful lines. That window delete, this is what I imagine, and it's honestly perfect with the window delete. Jeez. I'm so stoked for this. They still got to put the Cobra badge there. Wow. Wow, that's all I can say. I'm speechless, honestly. I don't even know what to say right now. Jeez, that is perfect. Beverly finally got her younger sister finished after so much time in the body shop, which I don't mind, but she is perfect right now, and the wheels look so beautiful. Golly, that's perfect. I'm lost for words. I don't even know what to say right now. Like this white body is way beyond meets and exceeds my expectations. Jeez, that looks so menacing. Super Sync wheels look incredible. Jeez, oh my gosh, I'm speechless right now. What is this beast I built? First time starting her up after all this time. Ah, battery's dead. All right, take two. We got the battery now. I am so excited. I finally have Miley back after, I think it was 6 weeks. I want to say it was 6 weeks. I don't know entirely sure. I was just so busy with Beverly. I didn't really get the chance, but we're going to go out, do a photo shoot with my buddy Andrew and his 2020 GT500. But before we get it, I just want to show you guys a little review. They fixed this line. All of these lines are perfect. I need to get the carbon fiber grille, carbon fiber chin spoiler. I need to get a lot of things to complement this. Bodywork is perfect. Shout out Fix Auto. I cannot be more happy with this. But they did all the lines perfect, as you guys see here. This is one of the main things that Shelby could not get right, is this continuation of the hood to the fender. Another thing that they could not get right was a lot of these body lines, even the rear bumper. The lines is where the money is at, and these lines are perfect. I'm gonna get you guys some better shots, but oh man, I'm so excited. It looks 20 times better in black. I'm not gonna lie, that wrap we had on the Nardo Gray just was not there, but this black now is perfect. So we're going to Silver Strand here in San Diego to do a photo shoot. I'm actually gonna crash a photo shoot here. It was really my buddy Andrew's photo shoot, but I'm gonna join to get some shots in and get a nice sunset, get that golden hour. But oh man, I love it so much. So much. Putting some Fresh E85 after a while. It's been like 6 weeks. Got to freshen up. 229, not too bad. Fill her up. Gotta let her breathe. It is 100 degrees today, and the inlet air was 150, so I don't want her to get too hot, but I need to get a engine bay clean so bad. It looks like they washed it down, and then you can see the watermarks right here, so nothing too bad. I like washing the engine anyway. It's very satisfying, so probably do a video on that. We'll see. But oh, here she is, a massive engine bay. I need to clean this up. Oil's good, coolant's good, all the fluids are good. She's running great, by the way. I just wanted to put some fresh E85, but damn, she is menacing. I love this. Looks way better in black. I also need to get the heat shield from Cervini's. I also need to get new struts because this hood is way too heavy for these. Like after like 2 to 3 minutes, this thing falls down. So after that, maybe get some cool reservoirs, maybe carbon fiber fuse cap right here, who knows. But yeah, the engine bay is looking sweet. I love it so much. I'm gonna be here quite a while. She's a drinker for sure, but oh my gosh, this booty, that's where it's at. She thick, boys. Look how thick she is. She's like a mirror too. I'm so kind of like scared to drive her. I need to get the antenna too, by the way. It's picking that up forward, but whoo-wee, carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber license plate holder, whatever that thing is called. And she's looking beautiful right now. That's what I love to see. 10 gallons, 23 bucks. Only if Beverly ran E85, which she will be running E85 once when we do the coyote swap. It feels so good to be back in Miley driving it. I thought I would have to warm up with the stick shifting, but stick shift is just like driving a bicycle. I love to see the cowl hood finally blacked out. No more white or primer that we have. And right now we are on to the photo shoot here with my buddy Andrew and his 2020 GT500, which you guys have seen in the last video. So we're gonna get some sweet shots while we get the golden hour running, but I love this thing so much. I'm gonna do another POV drive, what it's like driving this, because I know a lot of you guys have asked me how it is driving Miley, so stay tuned for a video for that. But right now she's driving great. I'm loving the black out, and you don't really appreciate technology until you don't have it. Driving Beverly for about 6 to 8 weeks since Miley has been down. While she was down, it made me love technology. Like I got the side view mirrors, I got my AC, which oh my gosh, it's 100 degrees right now. AC is perfect. My stereo system, cruise control, volume, all these bezels that you guys see here. So I'm loving the technology here that Beverly does not have, but I'm still gonna be driving Beverly. We're almost to the photo shoot place right now. The sun is setting, and hopefully it doesn't get too hot because I am sweating right now, outside of Miley at least. But yeah, as you guys see, the inlet air is actually 95 degrees. That shot up to 170, but everything else seems to be good to go. So we're almost to the shoot. Let's drive right there. We're here with my buddy Andy, getting the beautiful shots into the. There you go. Gorgeous singer right here. My bad. Let me get out of your way. Get some shots in with Miley. 2020. Look at this view though right here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous view. Andy's GT500 and Miley put together in a beautiful, beautiful Claremont right by the Mission Bay. Beautiful cars. I'm gonna go over basically the GT500, what they have done. It's actually a lot of ashes here because there's fires going on right over there, and the ashes are just coming everywhere. So if you guys see any ashes, apologize on that, but I think they did an awesome job on pretty much the full ride here. Beautiful, beautiful. So one thing that they did, they actually painted the full car here. Full car from the top to bottom has been painted, and they did not miss one stop. I also tinted the blinker lights right here. Tinted the blinker lights. I need to fix some things here, some minor things we're gonna go over in the next videos. Also, if you guys notice, I had the side badges here. Right now I'm just sticking with the Cobra. I think that looks pretty cool because it kind of matches and it keeps things very, very simple. I like the wheels as well. The wheels is where it's at, I think. The wheel, I'm gonna go with the silver and a black. I'm not gonna go murdered out black like I had it previously. I think this looks pretty dope with the Super Snake wheels and the Shelby right here. That looks pretty cool. I also blanked out the blinkers right here. The cowl hood looks perfect. I need to show you guys, well, I've already showed you guys the underneath, but I'm really thinking about making this silver again to match the side ones, but I may do this later. I think this is painted black, but I'm thinking about putting that one back to silver. I think that'll look pretty cool. Look at those 305s in the front. Meaty front tires. And this is the Bape wrap that we have here. 2020 Shelby GT500. Awesome wrap. I like this a lot. This was featured in the previous video if you guys have not seen already, but 2020 GT500. My 2020 GT500 will be coming very shortly. Kenne just finalized the 4.2 supercharger. I will bring that out once when I can. Hopefully they call me up this week. We'll see. They're super busy with everything, and we'll just have to wait for this to complete. We got the rear ends here. Comment down below which rear end you like better, 2014 or the 2020 GT500, but I think they did an awesome job. We still have to get the antenna and we still have to get the windshield right here. Everything else looks really nice. And geez, all these ashes. There we go. Miley's looking better than ever. Gotta love it. Super happy that she's finally back. We have so many more mods to finally do with her in the future. We got the carbon fiber steering wheel from Dyna Performance, as well as the suspension from BMR Suspension. So super excited to finally get her back. I also deleted the rear quarter windows. Let me know how that is. They did perfect. Look at that mirror-like finish. You cannot see the window at all. It's completely taken out, and I think that looks great. That looks perfect, especially with the wide body. Didn't look too good with the Nardo gray, but I think with the black it looks mint. And I'm gonna show you guys the other side since I showed you this side, but we got the full wide body. Beautiful. Look how that just pops out right there. And this is the other end. Clean, like a mirror-like finish right here. So that is it. We're gonna head out of the shot and catch you guys in the next one, okay? I had to get some nighttime shots here really quick because we got kicked out of the last spot for some unknown reason. And having a black car, it just got dirty so quick. Good thing it's nighttime so you guys cannot see it, but I'm super happy with how it is. Comment down below, what do you like better, the black or the Nardo gray? Honestly, I'm a huge fan of black. I want all my cars to be black. Sally was black, Miley was black, Beverly is now black. I was gonna make Betty black, but I just ran out of time with her, as you guys have seen. But I want all my cars to be black, and I think the wheels, I really like the black and silver combination. It looks really nice. Comment down below what you guys think. Time to put Miley back to sleep. She did really good. Got dirty really fast, but I'm super excited that I finally have her back. We are going to be doing some more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for staying with the vlog as well as supporting it. But she just looks so much menacing. A completely different car than what we've had previously. If you like this and if you like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below because we have a lot more cool cars coming here. And oh my gosh, I still think I'm dreaming. I cannot believe, in my opinion, she's perfect right now, and she's done. Thank you guys. I would not be here if it wasn't for you guys, and I just want to give you guys a big thank you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.